How to join random groups on Snapchat. To join random groups, first of all open Snapchat. Make sure to sign into your Snapchat account. Then tap on Stories button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then here tap on the search icon at the top left corner of the screen next to Bitmoji icon. And here you need to search for groups. So you can select any group that you want to join. And here you can see the add button. You can tap on add button and this will appear on your chat section. Tap on chats and when you refresh it, you will be able to find that group. Or else if you want to create your own group and make others to join on your group, then you can tap on this new chat icon at the bottom right corner. And here you can tap on new group and you can name the group and you can easily add the members on that group and tap on chat also at the bottom of the screen. So in this way you can easily join random groups on Snapchat, or you can make your own groups and make other to join on your group as well. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you and see you in the next video.